The VIVO Black 500 feet Bulk Cat-5e CCA Ethernet Cable is engineered to meet diverse networking needs with impeccable adaptability. Designed as a Category 5e cable with Copper Clad Aluminum CCA construction, it delivers reliable connectivity suitable for both residential and commercial networking setups. Encased in a protective outer layer, this cable ensures durability under various environmental conditions, perfect for outdoor installations and direct burial applications. Enclosed in a convenient pull box, installation is streamlined with effortless cable dispensing. This is particularly advantageous for larger projects where efficiency and organization are key. While considering connectivity specifications, this cable provides stable performance for various Ethernet standards. However, users intending to power devices over Ethernet might consider its CCA composition, as it may slightly impact conductive performance compared to pure copper cables. Overall, the VIVO Black 500 feet cable stands as a practical solution for networking enthusiasts requiring a dependable, outdoor-compatible Ethernet cabling option. Its quality construction and resilience offer excellent value for its intended applications.